Hello, car enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the history of one of the most iconic names in the world of supercars, Lamborghini. Buckle up, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button and notification bell, then join me on this Car History Channel journey through the evolution of the Raging Bull. Our story begins in 1963, when Ferruccio Lamborghini, a successful tractor manufacturer, founded Automobili Lamborghini. Displeased with his Ferrari's performance, Lamborghini set out to create a car that would challenge the reigning supercar giants. In 1966, Lamborghini unleashed the Miura upon the world, a car that not only defined the supercar category, but also birthed the mid-engine layout. With its breathtaking design and V12 engine, the Miura set the stage for Lamborghini's meteoric rise. The late 60s and early 70s saw Lamborghini diversify its lineup with models like the Espada, Jarama, and Islero. These grand tourers showcased Lamborghini's ability to blend speed with luxury, catering to a broader audience. Enter the 1970s and the birth of the legendary Countach. With its wedge-shaped design, scissor doors, and unparalleled speed, the Countach became the quintessential poster car, symbolizing the extravagance and audacity of the era. The 1980s brought financial turbulence, leading to changes in ownership. However, Lamborghini roared back with the Diablo in 1990, a car that not only reclaimed its supercar throne, but also set new standards for speed and performance. The Lamborghini Diablo, an iconic supercar that roared onto the automotive scene in the early 1990s, remains a symbol of raw power and striking design. With its sharp, aggressive lines and scissor doors, the Diablo captivates enthusiasts with a visual spectacle that matches its performance prowess. Beneath the sleek exterior lies a mid-mounted V12 engine, delivering a symphony of horsepower that propels the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere blink of an eye. The Diablo's aerodynamic form not only contributes to its eye-catching aesthetics, but also ensures stability at high speeds. This Italian masterpiece embodies the spirit of Lamborghini, pushing the boundaries of automotive engineering and delivering an exhilarating driving experience that transcends time. The Diablo stands as a testament to the brand's commitment to creating automotive masterpieces that defy convention and leave an indelible mark on the world of supercars. In 1998, Audi took the reins, ushering in a new era of stability and innovation. The Gallardo and Murcielago, born under Audi's guidance, showcased Lamborghini's commitment to pushing the boundaries of performance while maintaining its distinctive Italian flair. Unveiled in the early 2000s, the Murcielago's design is a symphony of sharp edges and aerodynamic contours, a visual feast that commands attention and admiration. Powered by a monstrous V12 engine mounted in the middle of the car, the Murcielago unleashes an earth-shattering roar as it accelerates. The 2010s witnessed the Aventador and Huracan, two modern masterpieces that embody Lamborghini's pursuit of excellence. With advanced technology, jaw-dropping designs, and mind-bending performance, these cars continue to captivate enthusiasts worldwide. Breaking new ground, Lamborghini introduced the Urus in 2017, a high-performance SUV that defies convention. The Urus marries the raw power of a supercar with the practicality of an SUV, expanding Lamborghini's appeal to a broader market. The Lamborghini Urus, a groundbreaking luxury SUV, seamlessly combines the brand's legendary performance heritage with the versatility of an SUV, delivering a dynamic driving experience that redefines expectations in the world of high-performance vehicles. As we look to the future, Lamborghini is embracing electrification with models like the Sian. This hybrid supercar hints at Lamborghini's commitment to sustainability without compromising the heart-pounding performance that defines the brand. And there you have it, a thrilling ride through the history of Lamborghini, from the groundbreaking Miura to the cutting-edge Sian. Lamborghini's legacy is not just about speed, it's about passion, audacity, and the unrelenting pursuit of automotive greatness. If you enjoyed this journey, hit that like button, share your favorite Lamborghini model in the comments, and subscribe for more automotive adventures on the Car History channel. Until next time, may your roads be deafened with the roar of the raging bull.